Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will start with the implementation of Eureka server, which is also called as discovery server. Now a recap on the previous video. Microservices will register with Eureka server and Eureka server will be aware of microservices running on each port with their IP address. Eureka server is also known as discovery server. Now let us open IntelliJ. We will start by creating a new project. We will add the dependency discovery server and web. Here we will be adding the group ID as com.notified, artifact as discovery server, demo project for Eureka server, and the package as com.notified. I'll select the web dependency and the Eureka server. Here you can see the discovery client dependency. This should be added to all other services so that it can register with the Eureka server. Here, since we are creating the server, we don't have to select it. Now, let us click on finish and create the project. New window. Let us open the main application. We will add the annotation at enable Eureka server. Now let us try to run the application. We are not specifying any port. The application will try to run at port 8080 by default. You can see the application has started, but it is going to give many errors like connection refused. It is because Eureka is trying to register itself with the Eureka server. Let us add some properties to the application.property file. We'll make register with Eureka false and also make register with Eureka false and also make fetch registry to false, because it will try to cache the information about the running application from the server. We'll open application.properties. We'll add the property register Eureka client.register with Eureka as false, and fetch registry also will make it false here. Now let us run the application. We should see everything is working fine right now. It should run on port 8080. Now let us open the good morning service. We will copy and paste the dependency, the server dependency, and change it to client. We'll copy it from the pom.xml here. I'm copying this dependency. All we have to do is change the server to client when we copy it there. Now let us run the application. You will see the similar errors coming here. Connection refused. Everything. By default it is searching port 8761, which was the port the Eureka server was supposed to run. But we are having the Eureka running on port 8080. What I'll do is I'll change the port to 8761 here. I'll make it 8761, rerun the application and check on the command prompt what is happening in the good morning application. Now you can see that it will start searching for the discovery server and it will get registered with the discovery server. Takes a little bit of time. Yeah, you can see everything is working fine. it was got registered with the Eureka server. Let us open the browser and check on port 8761. Let us see what is happening. You will see the good morning service registered over here. Now let us make the same changes as in the server, like fetch registry I am turning into false, and register with Eureka should be turned to true because we are running the client application. We will declare the Eureka port explicitly here by we will declare explicitly the Eureka port here, Eureka client dot service URL dot default zone equal to http localhost 8761 / Eureka. And now we will add an annotation in the main application which will enable discovery client. So we are making everything explicit. Now we can see there are no errors and everything is working fine. Now what we will do is we will copy and paste everything to the other two applications, which are good morning, good afternoon and good evening. We'll copy this. Why I am doing this is I want to show you all the three services registered with Eureka. I'll open the application.properties, copy this and paste everything. And let's start running the applications. Now checking on the browser, refresh it, you can see all the three applications will be registered here on 7001, 7002 and 3001, which is good morning service. So it is time for us to wind up the video, and in the next video we will be having the demonstration of Soul API gateway. Thanks for watching the video.